Hello everyone, welcome to Basic Tutorial Special and Visual Effects. Today I will be teaching you how to blur your face in Microsoft PowerPoint. Okay, so here's how we do this effect. I have my footage here. Hello everyone, welcome to Basic Tutorial. And basically what I do, I'm going to copy the video and I'm going to pick the arrow underneath the paste button and click picture, and I'm going to the format tab and crop this now picture just up to my face. And I'm going to the artistic effects drop down arrow and I'm clicking on blur. Now that doesn't really do much, so I'm going back and I'm going to the artistic effects options and I'm going to carry the radius all the way up to 100. So there we go, it completely distorts my face so you can't see. And of course set your video animations to play, and let's see. Now in this video I didn't move much, so I didn't really have to add any animations to this image. So hello everyone, welcome to Basic Tutorial Special and Visual Effects. Today I will be teaching you how to blur your face in Microsoft PowerPoint. So yeah, this is a pretty decent effect. If you want to make this look a little bit more movable, what you can do is play around with these animations, play around with the line animations, or you can create your own custom paths if you want it to move, or even something like this really be. Hello everyone, welcome. See, it looks a bit realistic. That's this effect right here. Thank you for watching this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up if you like it, subscribe to this channel, leave a comment, tell me what you think, and I will see you in a next video. Thank you so much for watching.